Hi, this is Andre, and thanks for checking out Synthosophy. Synthosophy is scientifically integrating the wisdoms of history, based on fact and truth, into our present culture. Let's take a look today at the introduction to Synthosophy. The introduction talks about polarization, take the survey, and the hot and cold water test. So let's talk about polarization. Here's a way to visualize it. The political polarization of current society. Remember the bell curve? The regular bell curve here is in red. The regular bell curve refers to a normal distribution of values across a range. It looks like a bell. Let's look at the distribution of human height. Looking at the blue line, the average height is right about here. That looks to be 66 inches, which is that 5 feet 6 inches? Yes, that's the average height, 5 feet 6 inches. That's the average. It's right in the middle, with a range of the number taller and shorter than average, moving down and away from the average in both directions, also making the shape of a bell. Note that the red curve is a perfect bell curve and is the normal distribution. And as we can see, the actual distribution of human height is quite close to the normal bell curve. Now, let's take a look at the polarization of the U.S. population that is politically engaged, as presented in the article titled Political Polarization, 1994 to 2017, from the Pew Research Center. Looking at the diagrams of the politically engaged in 1994, 2004, 2014, and 2017, you see a development over time. Note, in 1994, there is no split between the left and the right. Kind of looks like a bell curve. In 2004, we can see a split starting. By 2014, we can see an increase in the polarization as the split widens. Democrats keep moving farther left, Republicans keep moving farther right. And by 2017, there's a nearly perfect upside down bell curve. That's the exact opposite of a normal bell curve. Does that mean we're not normal? Not necessarily. But it does show just how divided and polarized we, as a nation, have become.